Train so you look aggressive, not attractive. It's not just about becoming strong, it's about becoming unbreakable. Spiritually, mentally, physically. Yo, warriors! Welcome back to the episode 24th of Intense Workout Series. So today's brutal workout after warm up हम लोगों ने 200 push-ups के साथ start किया. Straight going down, up, no mercy towards our chest and arms. और उसके बाद हम लोगों ने किया 200 Hindu push-ups, which is the backbone of our workout. And after that, showing no mercy to our body, we said 50 more clean dips, and we completed our workout.
Depois do bailão